Okay, so in this session we'll learn about the AND logical operator. So basically we'll AND logical operator. So now in the above example, so we'll take this example here. I'll just copy this code. So now instead of checking whether this value is positive or not, so I want to check whether this value of x lies between a range which is 0 to, let's say, 100. So how can I check? So I will check first if x is less than 0 and x is greater than 100. So I can certainly tell that x is between 0 and 100, right? So I'm checking whether now this statement will be true only when x is lying between 0 and 100. So we'll see that. So nothing printed. Why? So we'll put a else also to understand what is the behavior here. Some issue. So basically it is not evaluating this statement. Okay. Now problem here, because I have not considered this. So this is a wrong implementation, right? So that's what I want to bring, that we need to be very careful. So I want it to check between 0 and 1. So it should be greater than 0 and it should be less than 100. Then only it will give you x is between 0 and 100. Okay. So just I want to tell you that you should be very careful with how you are putting that, and if any issue is coming, you can always use else case and then try to see if any problem is there, or you can come to know. So that is about and also we can check multiple conditions also, like that you have, let's say you have x is let's now I'll say y also. I'll define something 200. Okay, so I can also club this together. So instead I'll do, so what is this I will do? I'll just create a parenthesis here and then I will check and y is greater than 100 and y is less than 200. Let me just use a 250 first. Okay, and this is how. So first what it will do, basically it will evaluate this condition and then it will compute the output, and once it compute the output, it will compute this condition, and then these outputs will be again computed based on and then the final condition will be evaluated. So x is between this range and y is between 100 and 250. Okay, so that is what we'll get. So let's do one thing. Let's try to reduce the value of y. Let's make it 90. So there is some issue. So we have not handled that. We should be handling when we are doing, but see, this is how it is. We are coming to know that there is some problem because this is value should be greater than 100, right? So ultimately it, because of this particular scenario, entire result become false, because if you see, this is 100% meeting because x is within 0 and 100. Only one, this particular statement has made it false. So that's the beauty, and that's how we can use AND logical operator. That's all for this video. See you in another video.